good morning mga ka-seniors. Nandito narito tayo sa Gozon, dito po sa Bangbang. At ngayon po ay nakikita natin, we will be able to witness ang mga struktura during the ancient days. Tingnan po natin yan. Gaganda ng mga structure. Okay, mayroon pang tower doon. So, let's try to see furthermore. Let's go up and see furthermore what we can see there. Okay, so I don't know really whether during that time meron ng ganyan. Make His praise glorious. Ganda. Ang ganda. Okay. So, look at the buildings. But parang mga bago pa rin naman to eh. Parang ka lang nasa Europe. Ganyan ang mga structure sa Europe. Ayan, mga gladiator. Okay. Oh, there's another dome over there. Okay. Ano ba to? Throne. Pwede bang maupo rito? Diyan siguro naupo si Judas. Very good, very good, very good. You see? Look at them, look at them. And over here. Ayun. At meron pa silang love Gozon. Okay. Ito yung pinaka-arena siguro nila. Ayan. You see that one? Okay. I just not know where we're gonna take our breakfast here. Medyo nagutom na tayo after the adventure paramotor with Captain Harley. Thank you for that unforgettable experience. At nandito naman tayo for our breakfast, at the same time having a glance of history during the ancient time. Okay, very good, very good. Ilan nga natin to? Very good, very good, very good. You see? Okay. Very good. Tandaan. Matanda na, baka madapa. Okay. Ayan naman pala eh. Di ko naman palang so good. Yeah, at Gozon. So clean, so good. Gozon. You're thinking away, ha? Oh, okay. Ayan po. Okay. Brother is calling. Boy! Yun. Ayan.
Yes, we are here. Goshen Garden and Resort. European environment.
Very good. Si brother. Brother.
Shout out sa Tarlac Paragliding.
Yan.
Captain Harley.
Ayun.
Leslie Harley. Shout out.
Very good.
Babalik kami, kamo.
Bye-bye. Thank you.